Imagine stepping into a pocket-sized bedroom, where sun-washed adobe walls meet the down-to-earth embrace of reclaimed timber. An intimate hideaway that feels equal parts Spanish hacienda and countryside retreat. In today's episode, we're exploring how to bring the charm of a hacienda-inspired design into a cozy bedroom, creating a warm, soulful retreat filled with timeless character. Looking for a bedroom design that feels both rustic and refined? Stay with us till the end. This reveal might spark your next big idea. We'll uncover design secrets you can recreate on any budget, debunk myths about working in tight footprints, and prove that character-rich style doesn't need a sprawling villa. Whether you're new to DIY or a design enthusiast seeking fresh inspiration, stay tuned. Every segment is filled with practical tips, smart sourcing ideas, and easy comfort upgrades you can try right away. Segment 1. Palette and materials: earth, clay, and cotton cloud. In compact bedrooms, color is a stealth architect. We chose a buttery adobe wash for the walls, diluted to 40% opacity so the space stays bright while retaining hacienda depth. Accent tones revolve around a sunset spectrum: sienna, dusty rose, and a hint of indigo historically found in Mexican textiles. Flooring is budget-friendly pine planks, wire brushed for texture, then finished with a matte, aged mesquite stain. On top, a jute wool blend rug adds underfoot cushioning without overwhelming the room. Metals skew oil-rubbed bronze, perfect for curtain rods and wall sconces. Echoing classic Spanish hardware, but gentler than stark black. Finally, lay a natural fabrics: flax linen drapes, crisped cotton sateen sheets, and a heavyweight waffle blanket. The tactile mix invites touch, a cornerstone of rustic comfort. Segment 2, Space Planning, Furniture that Breathes. The bed anchors the room on its long wall, but instead of a bulky frame, we crafted a DIY arched headboard from half-inch MDF wrapped in cinnamon-hued canvas. Its rounded silhouette whispers hacienda architecture while saving precious inches. The nightstands are repurposed orchard crates mounted sideways at desk height. Their open shelves keep bedtime books neatly organized, while the top surface is perfect for a mug of chamomile tea. We hung the wardrobe system on a sliding barn track painted deep rust. When closed, it doubles as wall art, thanks to a stenciled Talavera motif. And remember, in small rooms, every object should multitask. If it can't store, fold, or sparkle, it doesn't stay. Segment 3, Architectural Character on a Budget. You don't need real load-bearing beams to capture the hacienda charm. Faux Vegas, hollow pine beams stained in a rich espresso tone span the ceiling, securely fastened with simple L brackets. Between the beams, we used a lime wash plaster technique with joint compound tinted in a warm peach hue, adding beautiful depth and texture to the walls. Around the single window, a thin Adobe-style surround built with lightweight foam trims adds thickness, making the opening feel like an old mission arch. For the focal wall, we added a peelan stick encaustic tile decal behind the headboard, keeping the pattern within a 3-foot band so it feels like an artisanal runner rather than a busy wallpaper. Small-scale architectural moments like these trick the eye into believing the room inherited centuries of history. No permits, no demolition, just creative layering. Segment 4, Textiles and Comfort Layers, Building the Nest. Now to the sensory heart, bedding. We start with a deep pocket percale sheet set in warm white, breathable for humid climates. Next comes a reversible quilt. One side features vibrant serape stripes, while the other shows a subtle micro buffalo check, allowing you to switch up the look with the seasons. No shopping required. The throw pillows add a playful touch, featuring a hand-loomed Oaxacan diamond pattern, a chunky cable-knit lumbar pillow, and a faux suede bolster wrapped with a braided leather cord. The drapery gently pools on the floor for a romantic look, yet hangs from ring clips for easy opening when the morning sun arrives. On chilly nights, a Sherpa-lined poncho blanket rests at the foot of the bed, ready for cozy warmth. Finally, scent is a textile's invisible cousin. A ceramic diffuser on the crate nightstand releases cedarwood orange notes that echo hacienda orchards. All layers invite slow living, a refuge in the digital rush. Segment 5. Styling, lighting, and the final reveal. Styling is where the narrative becomes immersive theater. On the faux beam, we perch vintage terracotta pots holding trailing pothos, living chandeliers that soften edges. Lighting follows a three-point rule. 1. A wrought iron chandelier, scaled petite, casts an amber glow. 2. Wall-mounted frosted sconces frame the headboard for reading. And 3. An LED strip hides beneath the bed, acting as a floating nightlight while visually lifting the frame. Accessorize with restraint. A single repurposed saddle blanket folded over a peg hook, a framed black and white of an old hacienda courtyard, and a stack of weathered poetry books. For the grand reveal, cue Spanish guitar, swing the barn track wardrobe shut, and let the camera pan from floor to ceiling. And there you have it, proof that square footage is just a number, while character is limitless. By merging hacienda warmth with rustic comfort, we showed how mindful color, multitasking furniture, and textural storytelling can resurrect even the tightest bedroom. If today's transformation sparked ideas, drop your questions below and share which DIY hack you'll try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you won't miss next week's episode, where we tackle a neglected balcony and give it a sun-drenched hacienda spin. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video.